So now I have navigated to my folder, my directory, and then my folder that's inside of that that's going to store all of my slideshow images and all the pages that I need to have this slideshow come together in Omni Update. To get started, I need a new page based upon a slideshow template. So I'm going to click New, and I have several different template choices here. You may see different ones depending on what directory you're in and what permissions you have set up in Omni Update. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a slideshow template, and that's what you will choose that you should have access to. I have some decisions to make here. I've got the title of my slideshow, parent directory for this website, home page title, and then a file name. And this I'm just going to leave it alone. We want our page, our slideshow page, to be called index so that it's the first page in that directory that people can access. So that's going to remain the same. Up here, title of your slideshow, if I put a title in here, it's going to actually show up at the very top of my slideshow. And to keep it similar to my other pages, I'm going to just start off by using my directory, which is my training site. So I'm going to say training, and then I would type in my slideshow title here. So I'm just going to put my slideshow title. Obviously I would put a title. Parent directory, my directory is training. And again, that is based upon what directory I'm in. Over here is an example of Career Center. Notice it's all lowercase and no spaces. And then my home page title, if I put a title up here, I'm probably not going to put a title down here. But I'm going to show you where that will show up on the page, and we can actually remove that later if we want to. And I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And it's going to take a minute or so for this to create all of the pages that it needs to create this slideshow. So when we get finished, we're going to have our index page that we're creating right now. We're going to have a Get Pics page in our directory, which is a file that will display our pictures to us later so that we can give them titles and descriptions, as well as a couple other pages, a navigation page and our subnav, which all of those are pages that are included in our different Omni pages as well. So we'll give it a few minutes. Now I can see in Omni that I have my Get Pics, the page that I talked about earlier, the index that we just created, a navigation, which is this area of my page, that's my navigation, and then my subnav, which is this area of my page, and then my main content, which is here. Notice training, my slideshow title, that was what I put in the first field. That's going to show up in this black area. So if I don't want my title up there, I can actually just put training, and it's going to match my other pages. And then this is where the home page title is going to show up, but this is going to show up below my slideshow. So let me show you an example of what I mean. So this example shows, okay, I decided just to use training, to just use my directory so that it matches all of my other pages. And then I can put my title down here, slideshow example title, and then I'll also be able to add content below this. But my title is going to show up here. And notice it's here. And so whatever I put in that last field is going to show up below my actual slideshow. So this is going to be below that. The only way to get a title above this slideshow is to put it in that first title area that I filled out. So if I don't want this information in here, which I don't, I'm going to click my Properties button, and I'm going to just get rid of this title, and I'm going to save it. So I deleted this out, save it, and it's going to erase that second title that I put in just to show you what it would do.